Welcome to our journey through the 30 largest mountains in the world. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the majestic summits of the Andes, these mountains are the giants of our planet. For millennia, they have stood as silent guardians, shaping not only the landscape but also the lives of those who dwell in their shadows. These colossal formations, products of immense geological forces over eons, pierce the sky, their summits often lost in swirling clouds. They are places of extremes where the air is thin, the temperatures unforgiving, and the slopes treacherous. Yet they hold an irresistible allure for adventurers and dreamers alike. In this series, we will embark on a virtual expedition to the far corners of the globe, exploring the unique beauty, the formidable challenges, and the awe-inspiring grandeur of these natural wonders. Join us as we scale the heights of these magnificent peaks and uncover the secrets they hold. Dominating the skyline, its summit perpetually capped with snow and ice, stands Mount Everest. At 8,848 meters above sea level, it is the undisputed king of the mountain kingdom. For climbers, Everest represents the ultimate test of human endurance and a chance to stand on the roof of the world. But Everest is not merely a geographical landmark. It is a sacred site for the local Sherpa people, who revere it as Chomolungma, goddess mother of the world. Rising in stark beauty amidst the Karakoram Range, K2, also known as Mount Godwin-Austen, presents a formidable challenge even to the most seasoned mountaineers. Its slopes, steeper and more technically demanding than those of Everest, have earned it the ominous nickname, the Savage Mountain. Yet, despite its fearsome reputation, K2 continues to beckon climbers from all corners of the world, drawn by its raw beauty and the irresistible lure of conquering one of the most challenging peaks on Earth. Kangchenjunga, the third highest mountain on Earth, stands as a testament to the power of nature. Its name, meaning 5 treasures of snow, reflects its 5 majestic peaks, each adorned with a sparkling crown of ice and snow. This mountain, revered by the local people as the abode of powerful deities, holds a special place in Himalayan mythology and continues to inspire awe and reverence in all who behold its grandeur. Chapter 4, Lhotse, the South Peak. Connected to Everest by the South Col, Lhotse, the 4th highest mountain in the world, is a formidable peak in its own right. Its south face, a sheer wall of rock and ice, presents one of the most daunting challenges in Himalayan climbing. Despite its proximity to Everest, Lhotse possesses a unique character and allure, drawing climbers seeking to test their limits amidst the breathtaking beauty of the Himalayas. Chapter 5, Makalu the Black Giant. Makalu, the 5th highest mountain in the world, stands apart from its neighbors with its distinctive pyramid-shaped peak and dark granite slopes. Its name, derived from the Sanskrit word for black, reflects its imposing and somewhat menacing appearance. Despite its challenges, Makalu offers a rewarding climb with stunning views and a sense of isolation that sets it apart from the more crowded peaks in the region. Chapter 6, Cho Oyu, the Turquoise Goddess. Cho Oyu, meaning turquoise goddess in Tibetan, is the 6th highest mountain in the world. Its relatively gentle slopes and more accessible routes have made it a popular choice for climbers seeking to test their skills at high altitude. But make no mistake, Cho Oyu is no walk in the park. The thin air, unpredictable weather, and the ever-present dangers of the high mountains demand respect and careful preparation from all who dare to ascend its slopes. Chapter 7, Dhaulagiri. First, the 7th highest mountain in the world stands as a majestic sentinel in the western Himalayas. Its name, meaning White Mountain, reflects its pristine beauty and the dazzling snow that perpetually cloaks its summit. This mountain, once considered the highest in the world before the discovery of Everest, offers a challenging climb and breathtaking views of the surrounding peaks. Chapter 8. Manaslu, the 8th highest mountain in the world, holds a special place in the hearts of the Nepalese people. Its name, meaning Mountain of the Spirit, reflects its sacred status and the belief that it is home to powerful deities. Climbers seeking to summit Manaslu must navigate treacherous glaciers, steep slopes, and unpredictable weather, but the reward is a journey into a land of breathtaking beauty and spiritual significance. Chapter 9, Nanga Parbat, the 9th highest mountain in the world, is a place of stark beauty and unforgiving conditions. Its name, meaning naked mountain, reflects its exposed and challenging slopes, which have earned it the grim nickname, the Killer Mountain. Despite its fearsome reputation, Nanga Parbat continues to attract climbers drawn by its raw beauty, its challenging climbs, and the chance to test their limits against one of the world's most dangerous peaks. Chapter 10, Annapurna Vi. The goddess of the harvest, Annapurna I, the 10th highest mountain in the world, holds a special place in Himalayan mythology. Named after the Hindu goddess of food and nourishment, its slopes are said to be her granaries, providing sustenance to the people below. But Annapurna I is a harsh mistress. Its slopes are notoriously treacherous, prone to avalanches and sudden storms, making it one of the most dangerous mountains in the world to climb. Chapter 11, Gasherbrum Yifan, the Hidden Peak. Gasherbrum I, the 11th highest mountain in the world, stands in the heart of the Karakoram Range, a world of towering peaks and massive glaciers. Its name, meaning beautiful mountain, seems almost at odds with the harsh, unforgiving landscape it inhabits. Yet for those who dare to venture into this remote corner of the world, Gasherbrum I offers a climb of exceptional beauty and challenge. Chapter 12, Broad Peak, the Gentle Giant. Broad Peak, the 12th highest mountain in the world, lives up to its name with its massive, sprawling summit ridge. While still a formidable challenge, its relatively gentle slopes make it a popular choice for climbers acclimatizing for an ascent of K2, its close neighbor. But Broad Peak is a mountain that demands respect. The thin air, unpredictable weather, and the ever-present dangers of the high mountains are a constant reminder that even on a gentle giant, the margin for error is razor-thin. Gasherbrum II, the 13th highest mountain in the world, stands as a testament to the raw power of nature. Its steep, icy slopes, often bathed in an ethereal glow, have earned it the nickname, the Shining Wall. For climbers, Gasherbrum II offers a challenging but rewarding ascent with breathtaking views of the surrounding peaks and a sense of isolation that is hard to find in the increasingly crowded world of high-altitude mountaineering. Shishapangma, the 14th highest mountain in the world, stands apart from its Himalayan brethren. Located entirely within Tibet, its name, meaning crest above the grassy plains, reflects its unique position on the edge of the Tibetan plateau. While not as well known as some of its higher neighbors, Shishapangma offers a challenging climb and a chance to experience the beauty and solitude of the Tibetan Himalayas. Gyachungkang, the 15th highest mountain in the world, is often overshadowed by its more famous neighbors in the Everest region. But this forgotten giant, as it's sometimes called, is a formidable peak in its own right, offering a challenging climb and stunning views of the surrounding Himalayas. Its remote location and technically demanding routes make it a prize for experienced mountaineers seeking to escape the crowds and test their skills against one of the world's most challenging peaks. Annapurna II, the 16th highest mountain in the world, stands as a sentinel guarding the southern approaches to the Annapurna Sanctuary. While not as high as its neighbor, Annapurna I, it is a formidable peak in its own right, with steep, challenging slopes and a reputation for unpredictable weather. Climbers who summit Annapurna II are rewarded with breathtaking views of the Annapurna Massif and a sense of accomplishment that comes from conquering one of the world's most challenging peaks. Gasherbrum III, the 17th highest mountain in the world, is often overlooked, nestled as it is between the more famous peaks of Gasherbrum II and Gasherbrum IV. But this hidden treasure of the Karakoram Range offers a challenging and rewarding climb for those who seek it out. Its steep, icy slopes and exposed ridges demand respect and skill, but the reward is a journey into a world of breathtaking beauty and solitude. The Gasherbrum IV, the 18th highest mountain in the world, holds a special place in the history of mountaineering. It was first climbed in 1958 by an Italian expedition, and its challenging routes and stunning beauty have attracted climbers from around the world ever since. Its name, meaning shining wall, reflects its steep, icy slopes, which shimmer in the sunlight and offer a formidable challenge to even the most experienced mountaineers. Himalkuli, the 19th highest mountain in the world, stands as the eastern anchor of the Annapurna Massif. Its name, meaning mountain of snow, reflects its pristine beauty and the dazzling snow that perpetually cloaks its summit. For climbers, Himalkuli offers a challenging but rewarding ascent with stunning views of the surrounding peaks and a chance to experience the unique beauty of the Nepalese Himalayas. Distagil Sar, the 20th highest mountain in the world, reigns supreme over the Hispar Muztagh, a remote and rarely visited corner of the Karakoram range. Its name, meaning beautiful mountain in the local language, reflects its pristine beauty and the awe it inspires in all who behold it. For climbers, Distagil Sar represents a true adventure, a chance to test their skills and endurance against one of the world's most challenging and remote peaks. Ngadi Chuli, the 21st highest mountain in the world, stands as a beacon of hope and inspiration in the heart of the Manang district of Nepal. Its name, meaning Peak of Hope in the local language, reflects the belief that it brings good fortune to those who live in its shadow. For climbers, Ngadi Chuli offers a challenging but rewarding ascent, with stunning views of the Annapurna Massif and a chance to experience the unique culture and hospitality of the Nepalese people. Nuptse, the 22nd highest mountain in the world, stands as a formidable guardian to the western flank of Mount Everest. Its name, meaning West Peak in Tibetan, reflects its position relative to its more famous neighbor. While often overshadowed by Everest, Nuptse is a challenging and dangerous peak in its own right, with steep, icy slopes and a reputation for unpredictable weather. Kunyang Chish, the 23rd highest mountain in the world, stands as a sacred sentinel in the heart of the Hispar Muztagh, a remote and rarely visited corner of the Karakoram range. Its name, meaning Mountain of the Spirits in the local language, reflects the belief that it is home to powerful deities. For climbers, Kunyang Chish represents a true adventure, a chance to test their skills and endurance against one of the world's most challenging and remote peaks. Mashabrum, the 24th highest mountain in the world, holds a special place in the hearts of photographers. Its striking, symmetrical peak, often bathed in golden light at sunrise and sunset, has made it one of the most photographed mountains in the world. But Mashabrum is more than just a pretty face. Its steep, challenging slopes and unpredictable weather make it a serious undertaking for climbers, demanding respect and experience. Chapter 25. Nanda Devi, the 25th highest mountain in the world, holds a special place in Hindu mythology. Its name, meaning bliss-giving goddess, reflects its sacred status and the belief that it is the abode of Parvati, the consort of Shiva. For climbers, Nanda Devi represents a formidable challenge, with steep, icy slopes, unpredictable weather, and a remote location that makes access difficult. Chapter 26. Chomo Lonzo, the 26th highest mountain in the world, stands as a formidable guardian to the southern approaches of the Tibetan plateau. Its name, meaning Guardian of the South in Tibetan, reflects its strategic location and the awe it inspires in all who behold it. For climbers, Chomo Lonzo represents a true adventure, a chance to test their skills and endurance against one of the world's most challenging and remote peaks. Chapter 27. Batura Sar, the 27th highest mountain in the world, reigns supreme over the Batura Muztagh, a remote and rarely visited corner of the Karakoram range. Its name, meaning throne of the fairy queen in the local language, reflects its ethereal beauty and the legends that surround it. For climbers, Batura Sar represents a true adventure, a chance to test their skills and endurance against one of the world's most challenging and remote peaks. Kanjutsar, the 28th highest mountain in the world, stands as a testament to the spirit of human endeavor. Its name, meaning peak of victory in the local language, reflects the sense of accomplishment that climbers feel upon reaching its summit. But Kanjutsar is not for the faint of heart. Its steep, icy slopes, unpredictable weather, and remote location demand respect and experience. Rakaposhi, the 29th highest mountain in the world, stands as a shining beacon in the heart of the Karakoram range. Its name, meaning shining wall in the local language, reflects its steep, icy slopes, which shimmer in the sunlight and offer a formidable challenge to even the most experienced mountaineers. For climbers, Rakaposhi represents a true adventure, a chance to test their skills and endurance against one of the world's most challenging and beautiful peaks. Namcha Barwa, the 30th highest mountain in the world, stands as a majestic sentinel guarding the eastern edge of the Tibetan plateau. Its name, meaning Great Eastern Snow Mountain in Tibetan, reflects its imposing size and the awe it inspires in all who behold it. For climbers, Namcha Barwa represents a true adventure, a chance to test their skills and endurance against one of the world's most challenging and remote peaks. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the world's largest mountains. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the majestic summits of the Andes, these mountains are the giants of our planet, shaping not only the landscape but also the lives of those who dwell in their shadows. We've explored their unique beauty, the formidable challenges they pose, and the awe-inspiring grandeur that draws adventurers and dreamers alike. These mountains stand as a testament to the power of nature and the indomitable spirit of human exploration. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing content. We'll see you in the next video.